I do have UPC Scanner here.
Hmm.
So UPC Scanner is definitely going to be for more for resellers, but anybody can really make use of this. So the idea is basically it's very simple. You can upload a list of UPCs or ASINs, and that's as simple as having a Google Sheet, a CSV with UPC or ASIN in one column, the price that you get for it in the other. And then so you basically just upload that here. It's basically two data points. You can also add the price that you plan to sell it on. But once you do, you just click scan. And what SmartScout will do is it'll match that UPC or ASIN to the actual product on Amazon. It'll
Hmm.
find the buy box price, the current buy box price. It will find all the fees and help you figure out this. Again, this is for
For
like
resellers.
wholesale
Yeah.
resellers. They use this kind of tool a lot. And it'll show the products that have a good margin, the products that might be out of stock on Amazon, who the dominant seller is, how many units sold, all relevant information about that ASIN. So this is mostly a reseller tool.
Yeah, pretty awesome, man.
But
I also remind our listeners we have the best discount for Smart Scout in the description. That's 25% off for 3 months, and this can help people try it out at a better price. Works with all the plans. And yeah, man, thank you for sharing the UPC scanner now.
yep, absolutely. So cool tool. I'm sure there's also, it's basically, if you want to analyze a group of ASINs in a table and export it, this is also a great way to do it. So I'll wrap with that. Finally, well, you do get a chance to select like what price you're basing things off at. So we'll go off the buy box price if you select that upon import, but you
Mm-hmm,
can also
mm-hmm.
go on seller price if you had a different pricing in mind.